going on, YouTube? Stephen Rock 137 here. I'm not in my room right now, but I figure I'd show you guys the free lawn tractor I got. This thing looks the seat looks a little crappy, but let's get it on. Here it is. This is what it looks like. I mean, it's an alright brand. I don't really know that much about it, but I mean, I'll open up the engine for you guys too. Oh shit! There we go. Yeah, just it's a little dusty, but doesn't seem that bad. I mean, it runs good, and got it for free off of someone's property. So yeah, so that's pretty much. I just wanted to show you guys, and I'm gonna try to put the camera somewhere where you guys can see it. I'm gonna. Oh, it's dark there. All right. I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna show you guys. You know, just have to move it here for a second, and I'll turn it on and I'll show you guys. So just bear with me here for a second. Just have to. I'm gonna move it out of the way, and I'm gonna put something. I'm moving it on my driveway. Okay. Now I'm gonna get something so you guys can see it. I'm gonna put something outside. So just bear with me here. Bear with me. Now you might hear a trash truck outside, so. Yep, right now. Right now you do. Okay. Let's see, can we see it good? Oh yeah, we can. Alright. I got my camera still. Alright, cool. Don't mind, there's a trash truck. I don't mind. I'm gonna start it up for you guys, and I'll ride it around like a circle or something for you, so you guys see it. Alright. And that's the tractor for you guys. I mean, it's to me personally, I don't think it's really that bad. I mean, I was right down the end of my street, and I've seen a free tractor, and I was just like, it's like, hey, you know what? I said it's free, it works, and I took it. So it's been your boy Stephen Rock 137. Outside for once, not inside. Peace out.